Brooklyn's sitting on Ollie's toy. Oh, making it make silly noises. What are you doing? Is that so funny? Bouncy, bouncy.
And you changed me, and you changed the way, you changed the way I look at love.
What happened? Is that Ollie's toy? Were you sitting on it making it go funny noises? Yeah? Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to our day. We're just hanging out here right now. It is a gorgeous day out. We were able to shut our air off, which has been super nice. And we're hanging out. Nick worked overnight last night. Little Miss Brooklyn Faith decided that she was rebelling against sleep all night last night unless she was on Mommy, sleeping on top of Mommy. So Mommy got like no sleep, so that was fun. But she was cute. She just wanted to snuggle all night long. She would wake up, scream, I'd pick her up, she'd put her head on my shoulder, I'd rock her, she'd fall back to sleep. As soon as I put her down, she'd freak out again. So she's been struggling with sleeping a little bit lately, and she always does when Daddy is working overnight. So I don't know how she knows, but she knows, and it's always a struggle to get her to sleep on those days. But she's being a little Miss Silly Girl today, right? See, Mommy was having some camera issues earlier. I was trying to film her 10-month update, and it wasn't working. My camera kept shutting off and stopping recording, so we're gonna have to work on that again. I was getting super annoyed. I got some footage, but I don't know if I got enough or anything like that. So I might have to, while I'm editing it, I might have to go in and refilm it. So be on the lookout for that if you're wanting to see her 10-month update, though, because it's pretty cool to see how much she has grown these 10 months of her life. Ollie's getting ready to go outside. He has to go potty. Brooklyn's gonna want to follow. It's a beautiful day out, though. Hey, Daddy, you gotta follow her.
I know.
Hi, Brooklyn. Bang, bang on the door. You silly girl. It is a beautiful Sunday afternoon. It is about like low 80s. I think it's 82 degrees out right now. Yesterday the high was like 75. It was gorgeous. So we shut the air off and opened up the windows and everything. And I love being able to air out the house during the summer. I mean, it's so nice because most of the time you have to have your windows shut and your air on, and it gets kind of like stuffy in the house. So I love being able to open the windows and like just have the freshness of the nice weather inside the house. So it's been really nice being able to sleep with the fan on in the window and just not have the air running constantly, which is a nice change for almost August. What are you doing? You going to look out the window? Your box of diapers is still sitting there. Should we see how long that sits there for? What do you think? It's been sitting there for a while. It's probably not going to move anytime soon either. You having a fun day? Yeah? The sun is shining. The birds are chirping. It's so nice out. Maybe we'll go for a walk again later, okay? Oh, you're going to close the door? You leaving me? Bye-bye, Brooklyn. You like that box there. It's something for you to climb on. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Brooklyn, what are you doing? Ooh, are you opening the box? Silly girl.
Go get Mama.
Brooklyn's on using her walker.
Good job.
Look at you, big girl. You're so big.
You're just, have you been drinking?
Little-
Have you been drinking?
A little wobbly?
You You're going into the couch.
You're doing so good. She's trying to turn.
Okay, Bob.
What are you doing?
Pull it out like this.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Get up on it.
Good job.
Yay, Brooklyn! What are you doing? I'm done. Yay, Brooklyn! Are you walking? Oh, you're so tired. Walking's hard work, isn't it? Is walking such hard work? Oh, you're gonna go get the toys out that Daddy just put away? And the bones?
Yeah.
Of course. See, Daddy-O is biting the carpet again. What are you doing? So guys, normally you'd have to worry about your dogs biting the carpet, and when Ollie was a puppy, he actually did bite the carpet on our steps, and there's like a little spot missing. Well, now Miss Brooklyn Faith decided that on the side of the steps here, that is where she's gonna start biting. So she's been trying to bite the carpet. She's been getting big chunks out in her mouth. So we don't only have to worry about a dog biting our carpet, we have to worry about a baby eating our carpet. That little baby right there. Dancy, Dancy!
N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, and bingo was his name. Bouncer, bouncer.
Shake your booty!
Whoa,
What are you doing, girl?
whoa.
Shaking your booty? We are outside right now on this beautiful day, taking the babies for a walk. I just tried to tell you guys that a minute ago when Ollie pulled me like crazy, so I couldn't. But we are outside enjoying the weather before Daddy has to leave for work and before it's bedtime. Ollie, are you excited to be outside? You're going for a walk, Ollie? He's super excited. Brooklyn! Are you enjoying the weather? She got her little sippy cup and she is good to go. We just had some dinner. We had chicken quesadillas for dinner. They're super, super yummy. So now we're going for a little walk. Little Miss just woke up from a 2-hour nap. Of course she took a nap right before it's almost bedtime, so that's fun. So we'll see how she sleeps tonight. I have work in the morning, so hopefully she sleeps a little bit better than last night because I'm already exhausted and I know I'll be even more tired tomorrow if she does not. Wish me luck. Ready? Ollie, what is on your face? Brooklyn, watch. Ollie, sit down.
Ollie, sit down, buddy.
Watch. Ready?
Ollie, come here, buddy. Oz, come here. Of course, we missed the craziest ones. What happened? Ollie was right in the way.
Oh, she leaned back and she fell over. Ready? Oh! 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 Ready? Oh! Go say, let